Today I'm going to guide you through an inner and outer thigh workout. I have some light ankle weights on, but you can also do this workout without any equipment. So let's hop right into it. We're going to start off onto our hands and knees. Your feet are about hip width apart, and I want you to find that neutral spine, pull that belly button in, and then look your eyes nice in front. We're going to shift all the way to the left side of the body. We're going to reach that right leg out, bring it in, into a donkey kick right here. Reach it out. Bring it in into a donkey kick right here. Every time that leg extends out, I want you to really squeeze through that glute right here. You do not have to go really high as long as you really find that intention right there. Squeeze and lower down. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, extend it out, tiny little pulses up and down. Flex that foot, really press through that heel. Get into that glute for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend that knee, tiny little pulses up and down. Press it up and down. Only go 1 inch up, 1 inch down. Really squeeze through for 10, 9, 8, 7. Belly button is in, eyes are in front. All that weight is into that lower body, not into those hands. For 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower down. Now bring that left hand onto the ground. The right hand stays here for support. We're gonna tap that toe about like knee height. Take a deep inhale on the exhale. We're gonna reach it all the way across, squeeze that leg, and then slowly tapping it back in. Squeeze over and tap in. I want you to really focus on squeezing through that inner thigh right here. Because we're crossing and changing the angle of the leg, we're really targeting that inner thigh right there. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. We're lowering down and bringing back up. While that leg is reaching on an inward angle right here, get into that inner thigh for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses up and down for 10, 9. Feel that inner thigh burning right here for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. This time we're gonna reach that right leg to an outward angle right here. So we're getting more of that outer thigh right here. We're staying onto that left elbow. We're reaching up and lower down. Reaching up and lower down. Feel that resistance while you're also coming down and reaching up. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Flex that foot. Tiny little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And bring it in. Great job. Open up those knees wide. We're reaching those arms forward and meet me into a nice deep child's pose. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out. One more deep breath. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out. Slowly roll back up. Roll those shoulder blades back and shake it out. Great job. We're gonna go straight to the other side. I'm gonna switch sides quickly. Again, meet me onto your all fours. Pull that belly button in. Your eyes are nice in front. Neutral spine. Really squeeze that core. Shift the weight over to the right side. So onto that right knee. Lift that knee into a hover. We're gonna reach that leg out. Bring it in into a donkey kick right here. So we're reaching out. Bring it into a donkey kick right here. Every time we're coming up, squeeze and lower down. Slow and controlled. There you go. for 10. Core is in, all that weight is into that lower body. Squeeze and come back in. I'd rather you go a little bit slower and really controlled. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, flex that toe, tiny little pulses up and down, really squeeze through that glute for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend that knee, tiny little pulses up and down. Squeeze that heel, flex that foot, tiny little pulses. 1 inch up, 1 inch down for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower down. Great job. We're coming on to our right elbow right here. We're tapping that left toe onto the ground. It's up about the same height as to that knee. All that weight is into the right side of the body. Take a deep inhale. On the exhale, we're gonna cross that leg over into that diagonal. Slowly bring it back. This motion, I want you to focus on really slow, moving through the motion and engaging all those spine muscles. Squeeze and lower down. There we go. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it on an inward angle. We're lowering down and point back up. Squeeze through that leg. That inner thigh should be working right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keep breathing, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here, tiny little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, bring it in. Really get into that inner thigh. Now we're going to that outer thigh. Same thing, stay onto that right elbow. Left hand is just here to support. We're gonna reach that left leg out into that diagonal right here. Flex that foot, we're reaching up and lower down. Because we're into that outward angle right here, we're really targeting that outer thigh. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tiny little pulses right here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Open up those knees wide. We're reaching those arms long. Meet me into a nice deep child's pose. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out. Slowly roll back up, bone by bone. Roll those shoulder blades back. Great job. Okay, we're gonna meet me onto your right side right here. Come laying down onto the back of the mat. Place that hand underneath that head. Place that right arm in front. Slight bend into that lower leg. Engage that core right here. We're gonna lift the leg up and lower down. Lift up, lower down. Pointing that toe, really squeezing through that thigh. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Tiny little circles forward for 10, 9, 8. Core is tight right here. Squeeze through that leg for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower down. Take it deep in through the nose. On the exhale, the leg lifts back up. Flex that foot. We're bringing it a little forward, 2 little pulses, and bring it back. Squeeze it through. There we go. That outer thigh is burning right here. That glute should be on fire. It is only a tiny motion forward into that diagonal, 2 little pulses, and back right here. There we go. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Hold it here. Slight bend into that heel and press it out. Whew. Starting to feel that burn. That outer thigh should be on fire right here. 4, 10, 9. Only a slight bend in and then reach it back out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower down. Give that right hip a little bit of love. Great job. This time we're gonna bring that right leg in front. We're gonna get into that inner thigh on the left side. Engage that core right here. Lift up and lower down. We wanna move a little bit faster right here to really get that going and get those reps in with those inner thighs right here. Squeeze up and down. Great job. That core is nice and in. That arm in front is just here to support very gently. Squeeze through that inner thigh. Find that mind-muscle connection. I want you to focus what you're working right here. Your workout will be 10 times more effective if you focus on the muscle groups that you're actually working. Tiny little pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up. Tiny little circles forward. Keep it small. It is only an orange shape. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We're gonna reach both legs up. Tiny little scissors right here. Scissor it out. Squeeze through. That core is tight for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And rest it out. Great job. Press yourself back up and we're going straight to the other side. Come onto the back of the mat. Place that left hand underneath your head, slight bend into the leg onto the ground. We're gonna reach this upper leg nice and long. We're gonna squeeze it up and lower down, up and lower down. Squeeze that core right here. Really activate that outer thigh for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here. Tiny little pulses. You can flex that foot, really get into that glute for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're reaching a couple inches forward, 2 little pulses, and reach it back. Foot is nice and flexed. Squeeze through that heel. Your hip stays about hip height, so don't go too high right here. We're just coming forward, 2 little pulses, and press it back. 2 little pulses, and press it back. There you go. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it in front right here. Slight bend into that heel and press it out. I want you to focus on not opening up right here, but just pressing up and pressing that knee back in so that knee does not go above the hip right here. We're staying onto that same height right here. 4, 8, tiny little pulls. It do not have to be big. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it here, tiny little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7. Get into that outer thigh right here, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Great job. We're bringing that left leg on top. Squeeze that inner thigh right here. We're gonna reach it up and down. Just pulse it right here. Point that toe, activate that inner thigh right here. There we go. Or final minutes right here. Squeeze it through. Tiny little pulses up and down. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up here. Tiny little circles backwards. Squeeze that inner thigh, guys. Giving that extra squeeze to your exercises will really help you activate and strengthen all those small muscle groups. There we go. 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. And lower down. Tiny little pulses up and down. We're gonna squeeze it out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reach both legs long, getting into our final scissors right here. Keep going. Keep breathing. Our final exercise for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and lower down. Press yourself back up. Don't forget to get into a little bit of a stretch or add on an extra workout and do your stretch after. I will see you very soon.